This video covers the two northern regions of Iceland before we head to the eastern region for the next video.
Right, we're now in the late evening or even night time. It's probably getting on for 11 o'clock and we've come to this waterfall. I'll put the name up on the video. It's going to be interesting to try and shoot. I'm not quite sure whether I've come to the right place here, but we'll try it out, and any decent pictures we'll put up on the video after this. So we'll see you a little bit later. Right, well it's the next day now and we've come to Goðafoss. I've been here, I came twice in January, and I came when we came on the cruise, so yeah, I've been here before. It's have to try and see if we can get something slightly different. I'm not quite sure whether we will, so we'll just have a wander around, see what we can find, see if we can find something slightly different, and yeah, we'll see you a bit later. Right, you've seen the shots I put up on the video of Goðafoss. Feeling quite tired from the short nights, etc. I need to get a good night's sleep tonight, but so in need of some sustenance, so I've come to the cafe. Hot chocolate and cake. So anyway, we'll see you at the next location. Right, we're on our way to our hotel. and we've just stopped off for a brief break in this quaint little fishing town of Húsavík. So we've been round and taken a few handheld pictures. We only stopped for about 20 minutes, and I'll put those that are any good up on the video after this. So yeah, and the next stop is the hotel, where we're gonna get ourselves sorted a bit, have dinner, and then after dinner we're going to big waterfall, most powerful in Europe. I think, is it Dettifoss or something? Anyway, you'll see some pictures later on, and I'll put the name on the video. So anyway, it's a nice little town, this. Very obviously a fish harbour. You can it's pretty, you can't put the smell over the video, but it's got a very fishy smell to it. So anyway, we'll see you a bit later. Right, we've just had a quick stop on the road because, as you can see,
I've got my polarizer glasses on. Look at it now. Yeah, polarizer can help. Oh yeah. Polarizer definitely brings it out. My sunglasses are making it look epic.
right, well, it's now late on Sunday, and we've come to Dettifoss. It's purportedly the most powerful waterfall in Europe. So right, you can see it there. We'll have a mooch around, see what we can find, and take some shots, but that is a heck of a lot of water coming over there. We'll see you a bit later. Well, good evening. It's coming up to 9 o'clock PM on Monday. We've had a relaxing day in the hotel for our subgroup. We had a bit of a mishap with the van yesterday, and wasn't able to be repaired. So as you can see there, we've just received delivery of a replacement van on a low loader, which will be offloaded, and then we'll be more or less ready to go. So that's good. So, and then we're going off to some waterfalls, possibly some puffins, and then to be camping later on. So it's looks nice and clean. Probably won't stay that way with the roads, etc. So anyway, we'll see you a bit later. Right, we've now left the hotel in the replacement van, and we've come along here to another waterfall. Just it's on the same canyon as the one we were at last night, Dettifoss, which we're going to go and visit again, but we are on the opposite side of the canyon. I mean, this is I mean, if we just look at the geology around here, it's just epic, absolutely epic. I mean, it's volcanic, as you can see there, that's all volcanic. And if we look down there, we can see like basalt columns, and a weird thing there, yeah, you can certainly see it in where it's a sort of offshoot of the river, a little inlet from the river, and there's black sand. I'm not quite sure what the name you'd use, and just if we bring the camera around here, we'll see the actual waterfall we've come to try and photograph. That is, and the colour of the water, there's obviously a lot of alluvium or whatever you want to call it in the river there. It's just otherworldly. It's just takes your breath away. I mean, you could spend the whole day or so here, but so yeah. So right, anyway, I'm gonna get on, try and find a composition, because we're not stopping here very long, and if it's any good, I'll put it up on the video, and we'll see you later. Right, so we've now come on to Dettifoss, which was where we were last night, but we're on the other side, and this is, oh, this side you can just feel the power. Just look there at the sheer volume of water and the sheer power that's coming over there. That is awesome. This is this is just, I don't know how to describe it. The environment, the waterfall, and as we come round here, all these cliffs and that with basalt columns, it's yeah, it's just truly an epic spot. So we're going to have a mooch around, try to find some compositions, and any decent photos we'll put up on the video. So see you a bit later.